When you're in the store to buy new tools, Milwaukee is a brand you'll often find. So, in this video, we will show you some Milwaukee tools you have never seen before. At first, we have the Milwaukee Cut Off Saw. This tool combines unparalleled performance with innovative features for superior cutting precision and efficiency. Featuring a power state brushless motor, it effortlessly tackles tough materials like concrete, rebar, and ductile iron, delivering petrol-like power without the associated headaches. With push-button start technology, repetitive pull starts are eliminated, ensuring instant power for faster cutting from start to finish. Its rapid stop blade. Brake and kickback control enhances safety by stopping the blade in 3 seconds during regular use and in cases of kickback. With features like the load light indicator and electric onboard water connection, it ensures optimized runtime, blade life, and cleanliness on site, making it an indispensable tool for professionals. Next, here comes the Milwaukee single-channel strut shear. With Milwaukee's proprietary shearing dies, it delivers square, clean cuts without the need for additional filing or deburring, ensuring precise results every time. This tool's integrated strut support plate provides a quick 4-inch measurement offset for easy, repeatable shears, boosting productivity on site. Plus, the dual die design eliminates exposed blades, minimizing the risk of cut and laceration injuries. Highly portable and versatile, it can be used on any flat surface or chain vise, with seamless integration into any brand's chain vise for maximum convenience. The kit includes essential accessories like single-channel shearing dies, an M18 battery, a multi-voltage charger, and a soft-sided carrying bag with pockets for additional shearing die sets. It means you'll have everything for efficient strut shearing tasks. This is something cool. Milwaukee's rechargeable hearing assist earplugs redefine on-the-job hearing protection, offering a balance between situational awareness and noise reduction. With controllable awareness of the job site environment, users can stay vigilant while minimizing the impact of loud external noises. Featuring digital Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, these earplugs allow seamless integration with devices for listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls, enhancing productivity without compromising safety. These earbuds meet rigorous standards, providing passive protection with interchangeable silicone and foam ear tips for a customizable fit. Compact and lightweight, they integrate seamlessly with other PPE, ensuring comfort and minimal in-ear fatigue during extended wear. With up to 10 hours of runtime on a single charge and the added convenience of the red lithium USB case battery providing up to 70 hours of runtime. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 dual trigger braking grinder. With dual trigger activation and a permanent side handle with 15 positions, this tool will give you improved control and accessibility. Featuring auto-stop kickback control, it helps prevent severe kickback incidents, while the rapid stop braking system halts most accessories in under 1 second. With a 4-mode variable speed, it delivers precise control across various materials. Compatible with one key, it wirelessly connects to smartphones for tool tracking and management, ensuring visibility across job sites. Powered by a robust PowerStat brushless motor, it generates 11A corded power for tackling tough grinding and cutting tasks with ease. This dual trigger braking grinder sets a new standard for angle grinders, combining advanced features and power for unparalleled performance on the job. The Milwaukee M12 brushless rotary tool is a compact yet powerful tool designed to meet the needs of professionals on the job site. Its brushless motor ensures durability and longer tool life, making it a reliable companion for various tasks. With intelligent design features like the RedLink intelligence system, this rotary tool delivers optimized performance while protecting against overloading, overheating, and over-discharging. The steel collet design enhances durability, ensuring secure accessory attachment and consistent performance over time. One of the standout features of the M12 brushless rotary tool is its variable speed interface, allowing users to adjust the RPM from 27,500 to 5,000 with 12 different speed settings. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, including cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing. Whether you're working with wood, metal, plastic, or other materials, this rotary tool offers the precision and control needed to achieve professional results. The Milwaukee M18 fuel top-handle chainsaw is a game-changer for professionals in the tree care industry, as well as homeowners tackling tree maintenance tasks. Designed for both commercial and residential use, this chainsaw offers unparalleled performance, safety, and convenience. One of the key advantages of the M18 top-handle chainsaw is its cordless design powered by Milwaukee's M18 fuel technology. This eliminates the need for gas, reducing emissions and making the worksite safer and more environmentally friendly. Additionally, the cordless design provides greater freedom of movement, allowing users to maneuver the chainsaw with ease and tackle jobs in hard-to-reach areas. Another standout feature of the M18 top-handle chainsaw is its rapid throttle response, allowing it to reach full throttle in under 1 second. This ensures fast and efficient cutting, minimizing downtime and increasing productivity on the job site. Whether you're pruning branches, trimming trees, or felling small trees, this chainsaw delivers the power and performance needed to get the job done quickly and effectively. The Milwaukee M18 fuel blower is the perfect solution for landscape maintenance professionals who need a powerful and reliable tool for quick, routine cleanups. Designed with productivity and user comfort in mind, this cordless blower delivers impressive performance while minimizing noise and fatigue. One of the standout features of the M18 fuel blower is its rapid throttle response, reaching full throttle in under 1 second. This ensures instant power delivery when you need it most, allowing you to tackle cleanup tasks quickly and efficiently without any delay. The blower's ergonomic design features an ambidextrous variable speed sliding lock-on lever, providing users with greater control and comfort during operation. Furthermore, the M18 fuel blower is equipped with RedLink Plus intelligence, which ensures that the blower operates at its peak efficiency while protecting against overloading, overheating, and over-discharging, prolonging its lifespan and ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Compatible with Milwaukee's M18 red lithium high-output batteries, the M18 fuel blower offers best-in-class power and runtime, allowing you to work longer and complete more tasks on a single charge. The Milwaukee roll-on power supply is a revolutionary solution for powering tools and electronics on the job site. Designed for the toughest jobs, this portable power supply offers instant setup, eliminating the hassle of gas or temporary power sources. This power supply integrates a 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery, which provides high power and runtime to sustain demanding applications. With no need for additional batteries, users can enjoy uninterrupted power for extended periods, increasing productivity and efficiency on the job site. The roll-on power supply delivers 7,200 watt of starting power and 3,600 watt of running power, ensuring that even the most demanding applications can be powered with ease. Its pure Sin-E wave inverter protects sensitive electronics from damage, while pass-through power allows for simultaneous charging and discharging, maximizing efficiency and convenience. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.